I got them heavy boobs, dance like dying stars. I got them heavy boobs, I can't run real far. Let me break down what I just said. Each of my double D's has the volume of a toddler's head. Now bitching about my boobies, they look super flying shirts. But if I swung them in your face, you'd be like, oh my god, that hurts. I'm blind, holy crap, I literally can't see. I have permanent retinal damage, I'm suing you and your heavy boobies. Heavy boobs, dance like dying stars. I got them heavy boobs, they each have their own memoirs. What you gotta know is that boobs may be where it's at, but if you cut them open, they're just sacks of yellow fat. Stuff falls into my bra, it's a little bit of a drag, but when I go to bed at night, it's like opening a Mary Poppins bag.
Candy and pennies!
I got them heavy boobs, dance like dying stars. I got them heavy boobs, don't need an airbag in my car. Here is a list of all of the objects that I can hold under my boobs. Stapler, 10 pencils, paperback copy of Arabian Nights, dog bone, remote control, hardback copy of Wuthering Heights. See, when a star is dying, it transforms into a red giant. And if the red giant does not have enough mass to fuse carbon, an inert mass of carbon and oxygen builds up in the center, transforming into a dense white dwarf. And yeah, like that's my boobs. That's what my boobs are like. I got them heavy boobs, dense like a white dwarf. I got them heavy boobs, to be a catch at Fisherman's Wharf. I got them heavy boobs, don't ever forget that these heavy boobs are just sacks of yellow fat. Like the stuffing of a couch, they're just sacks of yellow fat. Technically meant to feed a baby, they're just sacks of yellow fat. Ow! Oh, all of that swinging. Oh.